Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are doing another natural hair video. My last video that I tried to put my hair in a bun for the first time, you guys really loved that video. This time around I wanted to do something different, something with a bang. So this is the bun that we're gonna be trying out. So this is the instant bun with bangs. Don't know how that gonna look, girl, but we're gonna try it out. So this is $12.99 at the beauty supply store. You also could get it at Elevated Styles, Sam Beauty, wig types for cheaper, okay? So I will put the information in the description box. The company name is Sensationnel, if you guys are wondering. And also in the back of this, it has all the other bangs if you guys want to try them out. Now, as you guys can see, I have natural hair. You guys not into the whole natural hair. There's other straight ones that you could try, I guess, if your hair is permed. I wanted to try this one out because it's gonna look a little bit more natural because of my hair type. As you guys see, my hair is very short. If you guys haven't seen my other video, I will put the link up here or in the description box for you guys. I'm gonna use the same product except one from my last video. We're gonna use the edge booster. We're also gonna use a little bit of Got to Be. I'm just gonna put a little bit so you can hold it up a little bit, but not too much as before. I'm gonna be using this leave-in conditioner. This is from Shea Moisture, so I'm gonna put a little bit. Now I don't have to use any water because I just washed my hair. Now I really don't want to put any more like pressure on my scalp at all because my scalp is very tender. I'm just gonna try to bring it up right here as close as I can, okay? Honestly, this is one of the best gels I ever used. I try not to use too much of it. I'm gonna start off in the front. I'm trying to make sure that all my hair is laid, especially on the top here. Just make sure that if you guys have natural hair, if you watch my other video, it's safe to just make sure that this thing is dry overnight. This is the closest that I could get it. So I think that the bang will fall really good with this. Even though this gel is pretty good on holding stuff, I need the spray. I'm gonna use this, put it around my head so it could hold my hair. Okay, so this is the amount that I'm gonna put. I'm not gonna put more. I don't want my hair to be too tight because I gotta sleep. And then I'm gonna use my head ties. This is the next day, so we're just gonna take this off on my head. Really did not dry, so the paper kind of stick on my hair, so I'm just gonna bring this up a little bit. Even though this is day 2, my hair feels like it's still wet, especially on top. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out. I'm not sure if it stick on together, which I think is gonna be a little easier to put on. You take this out, as you guys can see, it stick on together, and also the bun is different from the first one that I had. And this is the inside, so you get 2 combs in the front. Actually, this one don't have any string, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna try my best. You only have the combs, so one in the front, one in the back. So let me just put it together. But I'm gonna try to stick it. And this is the bang. So I want to show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, you have to be very careful with this because if you don't secure it, it will fall off your head. So I want to make sure that I fix this. And then this is how the top looks. I really don't like how this look at all. So I'm going to use some of my gel. I'll just try to fix this as I can, but I would definitely twist this. The curl pattern was so off. Some was very, very curly and the rest was just frizzy, and I don't like that. But you guys could do whatever you want with the bang, but I think it looks much better like this. The bun is kind of wobbling as well, so you need to stick it down with bobby pins. There's nothing to secure it but that pin they put in the bun. So I'm going to take another pin and just stick it close. It's much better, and I could feel it. Put much as I can so around it so it won't fall off. This is how it looks. I think it looks much better like this. Throughout the week, if I want to take out the bang like this and just have the curl fall on my face, I would do that. But in the meantime, I think that it looks much better like this. It was just too much in my face and the curl pattern was not it for me. I think it looks really good like this. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.